Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Side hustle or ways to make money from home. Watch this video and I will share with you how I went from 0 to 10K plus per month with affiliate marketing and how you can do just the same.
Meet new and improved Affiliaxa, the #1 side hustle to start making thousands online and create freedom lifestyle you deserve. I don't know about you, but one thing I love about waking up is checking my Gmail account to see how much I've earned while sleeping. It's exhilarating. After years of hard work and dedication, I've created an online business that runs 24/7 and generates up to $3,000 per day or night. The best part? Now I can live a freedom lifestyle, and I want to share this opportunity with you. All you need to do is join Affiliaxa and follow just a few simple steps. The main idea of Affiliaxa is to provide new online marketers with everything they need to start making money online quickly without putting a strain on their bank accounts. Our goal is to give you the tools and resources necessary to achieve success in the online marketing world. For a one-time payment of just $37, you can gain access to our high-paying affiliate program. With every successful referral, you have the potential to earn up to $1,185. But that's not all. We also provide you with a collection of ready-made viral content for your social media platforms. This means you can effortlessly engage your audience and generate interest in your new business. Plus, we offer a highly effective sales funnel that is designed to convert leads into paying customers. This ensures you make sales every time you promote your business, whether it's through paid or free traffic. Welcome to the dynamic world of Affiliaxa Solo Ads, a pivotal component within the impressive Affiliaxa high-converting sales funnel. As an affiliate, you're not just earning generous commissions, you're stepping into the realm of the traffic business, unlocking unprecedented opportunities. Picture this: 80% commission on the front end and a compelling 30% for the entire funnel. But the magic doesn't stop there. With every instance of your referrals purchasing traffic, your earnings soar. Here's the game-changing strategy. Drive traffic to the Affiliaxa free training page. Let the funnel take the reins, weaving its magic to captivate and convert. As you focus on attracting individuals to the funnel, watch as high-ticket sales roll in effortlessly on autopilot. Welcome to the supremacy of Affiliaxa Fast Income Funnel, where earning substantial income is not just a goal, it's a reality waiting to unfold.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.